How pressure testing is performed? The construction team needs to have a pressure testing plan. The pressure testing plan can be developed by the pipe engineer or other engineer responsible for the construction and the commissioning of the system. You need to have calibrated equipment to verify the pressure of the system. Usually we use blind flanges to isolate the system or the segment that we are verifying. And we need also to have the medium for pressurization, and this medium must be compatible with the materials and the fluid that will be used after the testing is finished. And it is interesting to know that the range of the pressure gauge must be defined in a way that during the pressure testing it marks in 30% of the full range of the pressure gauge.